When OBS refuses to cooperate no matter what settings you've changed, a complete reset might be precisely what you need. Luckily, it's a straightforward and quick process. Let me walk you through resetting OBS settings on Windows simply and easily. Begin by shutting down OBS entirely. Tap your Windows key, type in Run, and open that application. Inside the Run window, type %appdata% and hit OK. This opens File Explorer to your App Data directory. Scroll down until you locate the OBS Studio folder. Since it's alphabetized, you won't have to hunt long. And don't stress, this won't erase any of your recorded content. The reset process only affects the program settings, not your recordings. Go ahead and open that folder. Select all the contents, right-click your selection, and pick Delete. Close File Explorer, then fire up OBS once more. It'll launch with completely fresh default settings, just like the first time you installed it. Keep in mind that you may need to reconfigure your settings and scenes after the reset. If you found this tutorial valuable, drop a like, share it with others who stream or record, and hit subscribe for more straightforward tech solutions and tutorials. Remember, this process is safe and won't cause any data loss.